Hi everyone. Do you know your body might be younger or older than your age on the ID cards? Two people born on the same day could have drastically different level of energy, health, and risk to the disease, all because of how their body has aged biologically. It is not about how long you live, but how good you are holding up your body. In today's video, we will be talking about biological age and your actual age. What are the factors which are influencing your biological age? And most importantly, how you can slow or reverse the biological age by changing your lifestyle. We all know how old we are, at least in terms of number of birthdays we have celebrated. That's our chronological age or actual age. It is the age on your passport, your driving license, and what society uses to mark milestones like voting, retirement, or senior discounts. But what if I told you there is another age that matters even more when it comes to your health? The age is your biological age, and it might be very different from your actual age. Biological age is a measure of how well or how poorly your body is functioning relative to your actual age. It's a reflection of your cells, organs, and systems influenced by your lifestyle, genetics, and environment. You might be 40 on the paper, but biologically 30 if you have lived a healthy, low stress life. Or you could be 35 but have the biological age of 50 years old if chronic stress, poor habits, or disease have taken a toll on your body. So how is the biological age measured? There is no single method, but several cutting-edge tools give us pretty good estimate. Epigenetic clocks. These are currently the gold standard. Tests like the Howard clock or Grim age use DNA methylation pattern, chemical marks that accumulate as we age, to estimate biological age with surprising accuracy. Telomere length are the protective cap at the end of our chromosome. They get shorter as we age. Shorter telomeres are associated with accelerated aging and increased risk of disease. Blood markers. Level of cholesterol, glucose, inflammation markers, and hormone profile can help assess biological aging, especially when combined into algorithms. Functional age test. These include VO2 max, which is the aerobic capacity, grip strength, skin elasticity, or reaction time. They are simple but offer valuable insight into how well your body is actually performing. Now let's talk about the factors that influence biological age. The biggest one fall into 5 categories. Lifestyle. Diet, physical activity, sleep, and whether you smoke or drink all play massive roles. A sedentary lifestyle or a processed, high sugar diet can age you faster, while regular movement, whole food, and adequate sleep can slow it down. Stress and mental health. Chronic stress is a silent ager. It increases cortisol, promotes inflammation, and impairs repair mechanism in the body. Environmental exposure. Pollution, toxins, and UV radiations can accelerate cellular damage and aging. Genetics. While you can't change your genes, they only account for about 20 to 30% of your aging. That means the majority is in your control. Medical condition. Chronic diseases like diabetes, hypertension, and heart disease can push your biological age higher, but managing or reversing them can slow biological aging too. Now the big question, can you reverse or slow biological aging? The answer is yes, and here is how. Exercise regularly, particularly resistance training and aerobic workout. These improve cardiovascular health, muscle mass, and insulin sensitivity. all key aging markers. Eat anti-inflammatory foods. Think leafy greens, berries, fatty fish, nut, olive oil, and foods rich in antioxidant. Cut back on sugar and highly processed items. Prioritize sleep. 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night is critical for cellular repair, brain function, and hormone regulation. Manage stress. Meditation, deep breathing, therapy, nature time. Find what works for you and make it a non-negotiable part of your routine. Stay socially connected. Studies show loneliness can be as damaging to health as smoking. Community and relationship keep us mentally and emotionally young. Stay curious and keep learning. Neuroplasticity, or the brain's ability to change and grow, doesn't stop at any age. Keep your brain active and you will age better. In short, your actual age is just a number, but your biological age is the real story of how well you are living. And the best part is, you have more control over it than you think. So instead of just counting your years, start making your years count. Live in a way which could potentially reverse or slow down your aging process. Thanks for watching. If you find this content helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting science update. See you next time.